Hey everyone! Big news from the world of e-readers. Remember back in September when Amazon first showed off its new Kindle Scribe models? Well, the wait is over for two of them. The Kindle Scribe Colorsoft and the new monochrome Kindle Scribe with a front light are officially available to buy right now. Now, I know what you're thinking, and yes, they're not exactly cheap. The new monochrome Scribe with a front light starts at $500, and if you want that beautiful color screen, the Kindle Scribe Colorsoft will set you back $630. That price, by the way, puts it in direct competition with the remarkable Paper Pro. The entry-level Scribe without a front light is still listed as coming soon for $430, expected in early 2026. So, what do you get for that extra cash? Well, Amazon has packed in some pretty significant upgrades. First off, the screen is bigger. It's now a full 11 inches, up from 10.2, but it's housed in a body that's about the same size. How'd slimmer bezels, of course. They've also redesigned the display stack and introduced a new mini LED lighting system for more uniform brightness. The new scribes are also thinner and lighter than their predecessors, which is always a plus for a device you'll be holding for long periods. Inside, there's a new custom MediaTek processor that Amazon claims offers a 40% performance boost. I've just received my review units, so I'll be putting the claim to the test in the coming days. Just a heads up, though, unlike the Paperwhite, these new scribes are not waterproof, so be careful round the pool. One of the biggest questions I had was about the screen quality, especially on the color model. You might remember that last year's smaller Kindle Colorsoft had some issues with a faint yellow tinge on the display, particularly when the front light was on. Amazon did address the issue, but it was definitely a concern. So, the very first thing I did after unboxing the new Kindle Scribe Colorsoft was check for that yellowing. And I'm happy to report, I couldn't see any at all. I cranked the front light all the way up, set the color to vivid, and the screen looked clean and uniform. It seems like the new, more advanced display design has completely solved that problem. Amazon also highlighted a few other key improvements. They say the new texture molded glass offers better friction for a more natural writing feel. The Ray-architected display is supposed to reduce parallax, making it feel like you're writing directly on paper. And that new processor, combined with more memory, should make the whole experience feel much snappier. I'll be diving deep into all these features and giving you my full, in-depth review very soon. I'm excited to see if that bigger screen, better performance, and beautiful color display are really worth the premium price tag. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.